In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Samsung Galaxy Note 2 smartphone. Okay. The first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the volume up button, the home button, and then after you press and hold down those two buttons, press the power button. Okay? Okay, now let go of the buttons. Okay, now go to Wipe, go to Factory Reset, Swipe, okay, so as you can see right here, it says the factory reset is complete. Now go back, go to Reboot, Power Off. Okay, now the phone is powered off, so I'm going to power it back on. And there you go, the hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.